Ahead of the Japanese Grand Prix weekend, most drivers usually take things a little slower. Some explore the country, enjoy the culture, or just reset mentally before the intensity of Suzuka begins. But if your name is Max Verstappen, that's not really your style. Instead of sightseeing, Verstappen chose something very different. He went racing. Not at Suzuka just yet, but at another iconic Japanese circuit, Fuji Speedway. And not in a Formula 1 car either. This time, he was behind the wheel of a Nissan Z Nismo GT500, taking on a completely soaked track in wet conditions. Now, seeing Verstappen in a Nissan wasn't exactly on anyone's 2026 bingo card. But when you have a driver who lives and breathes racing the way he does, it almost makes perfect sense. Because for Verstappen, it doesn't matter what car he's in. If it has 4 wheels and a steering wheel, he's going to push it to the limit. And that's exactly what he did. Despite the rain, despite the lack of grip, Verstappen was fully committed. Lap after lap, he attacked the circuit, exploring the limits of the car while fans gathered trackside to watch something truly unexpected. Even Nissan executives were spotted closely observing, speaking with him between runs, clearly aware they were witnessing something special. The GT500 machine itself is no ordinary car. Built for Japan's Super GT series, it features a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing around 650 horsepower. It's mid-engined, rear-wheel drive, and incredibly lightweight, just over 1,000 kilograms. In the right hands, it's brutally fast. And in Verstappen's hands, it becomes something even more. You could see it in the way he handled the car. Precise inputs, aggressive confidence, total control in conditions where most drivers would be cautious. And honestly, it might have been the most enjoyable driving experience he's had all week, especially considering the current struggles of Red Bull Racing heading into Suzuka. Because while results may fluctuate, one thing doesn't change. Verstappen just loves to drive. And moments like this are a reminder of that. So now, sit back and enjoy the sound of Verstappen pushing the Nissan Nismo GT500 to its limits. And if you want more moments like this, don't forget to subscribe.